All right. The Amazon box came in. It's got one flap a little tattered, but other than that, looks pretty good. Don't see any bangs on it to speak of. Let's try a knife. So I got a few things in this package. So excuse me while I take the rest of this stuff out. First thing is a little fog machine. You'll see that in another video. And there's also some guitar strap locks in here, and that'll be in another video as well. But there's what we're after right there. So I placed the order through Amazon, and it comes from UGREEN, the UGREEN Group Limited, so it actually comes from that company. The order was placed on January 31st, and it arrived on February 4th. So it's pretty quick. But here's what we're interested in. Mini phone to mini phone cable by UGREEN. It's nice packaging. And it's a Ziploc bag. I like that instead of fighting through cellophane or whatever kind of plastic they use and stuff these days. And a little thank you card from UGREEN. It's always nice. And contact them, of course, if there's any problems. So, the cable. So I use these kind of cables from going from iPod to little speaker box, or laptop to speaker box, or maybe plug in my iPod into the car stereo or whatever. The ends on this is very solid. The cable itself is really well shielded. Like that, the braiding on this cable is really hard. My old cable, much more flexible. It's like rubber. But this UGREEN cable is really solid. It feels like there's a good armor on it. It's a weave of some sort, some ballistic nylon or something, I don't know. Actually feels harder than that. So I'd be surprised if you ever have a cable breakage with this thing. So let's plug it in, see if it works. Nice ends, good solid construction. So I like these little speaker boxes because they take batteries. And so if you got an iPod or some other mechanism that doesn't have a speaker, whether it has the proper docking station or not, you can plug it in with one of these mini phone to mini phone cables. Here we go. Yeah, so this is a real solid cable. It's not flinching or signal cutting out at all or anything. It seems really good. I'll do a follow-up video someday and let you know if I'm still using it or if it gave out, but I have a feeling it's going to keep on rolling. So I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe, and if you really want to say thanks, add a Long Distance Traveler song to your playlist on whatever music platform you use. That would be so greatly appreciated. Or download a song from longdistancetraveler.com, and we'll see you again real soon in another video.